to the north days. Eventually, though, we might begin to see an area of low pressure pushing its way up into southernmost parts, and that could bring the increasing chance of thundery showers. But by the beginning of next week, the high pressure is established once again to the northwest, and that means those northeasterly winds persisting for many of us. Now, by night, with a lot of cloud around that high, it's not going to be cold. We might just see the odd spot in northern England and northern Scotland getting down to around 0, but I think frost-free for the rest of this week and into next week as well. Now, that high is producing a lot of cloud, particularly around eastern areas. The cloud's been very persistent today. It's been giving some drizzle across southern and easternmost areas right the way up into eastern Scotland, and that cloud is only going to very slowly push its way back to the east coast during this afternoon. I think in central parts it should dry up. For many in the east, I think it will stay on the damp side. The best of the weather is out towards the west, and that's where we're seeing the highest temperatures, around 17 to 18 degrees. In that cloud, though, holding back nearer 11 to 12. Now, during this evening and overnight, that cloud is going to increase from the east once again, thick enough to give some drizzle in the southeast and also across northern and eastern Scotland. It'll be a mild night, though, temperatures at the lowest around 3 degrees in the Scottish Glens. Now, for Thursday, this weather front might just introduce some little bits of rain and drizzle across northern and eastern Scotland, and we'll still have some drizzle across the southern and easternmost areas. Again, the best of the weather in the west. For Friday, we begin to see a change from the south. This weather front pushing its way up into the weekend could bring some thundery showers, perhaps getting into very far south during Friday evening, pushing their way gradually northwards during Saturday and also Sunday. But for the northwest, well, here I think it should be a fairly glorious weekend. Temperatures quite high, around 17 to 18, and a good deal of sunshine. Now, further south, this is where we've got the thunderstorms at the moment across France. They're brewing up once more. They will be there for the rest of the day, and we're also going to see thunderstorms developing across Spain and Portugal. Through these central areas of the Mediterranean, things should improve as the high pressure moves in for Thursday and Friday, so the Aegean should be drier. Bye for now.